Hello everyone, it's Nanda. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you guys the things that I used to make this beautiful winter wreath. And first of all, I cut the snow blanket in strips and then I glue in here. Use the hot glue on a low setting. As always, I like to use the hot glue on a low settings in any crafty home decor that I use in here on my channel. So after I roll the snow blanket on a styrofoam wreath, I cut this Christmas tree skirt in strip and then I glue in here as well. And then after that, I glue these beautiful pine stems in here. They have a beautiful dark green color, but I paint them with white acrylic paint to look like snow. So I glue them with the hot glue on a low setting. So after I done glue, then I have in here pieces of yarn that I tied in here to just give it more secure to hold those pine stems in. So this is a fabric flower that I made. So on top of the flower is a snowflake. So on top of the snowflake is a small snowflake, one of these snowflakes like here that I put in here. And then I have in here the pine cones and then these mini styrofoam balls. There's mini branches in here. And then the snowflakes that I glue in here. I snowflakes in here and on a ribbon as well. And it turned out super cute. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you here. And now let's go to the video.